Hi, third graders. Today's lesson is on supporting your opinion with reasons and examples. We are going to read this example text called Don't Text and Drive. As we're reading, look for places where the author gave reasons to support their opinion and then gave examples of those reasons. How often are you sitting in your car and you spot other drivers stop next to you texting away on their cell phone? Or even worse, the driver is driving down the road passing other cars with their phone in their hand, reading or texting messages. Each year, over 330,000 accidents caused by texting while driving lead to severe injuries. If this fact alone doesn't make you realize that people should not text and drive, then please continue reading. First, people should not text and drive because it's not only dangerous for the driver, but you're putting others at risk as well. Making the choice to text and drive does not just affect the driver. There are thousands of other people on the road as well. For example, there are pedestrians walking along the side of the road, bicyclists riding on the road, and other drivers driving on the street too. When a driver is making the choice to text and drive, they can easily become distracted, taking their eyes off the road for just a few seconds. In these few seconds, the driver can seriously injure any of the innocent people mentioned above, as well as themselves. This is why making the choice to text and drive can be a selfish one. Another reason that people should not text and drive is there are other options available if you need to text or talk to someone immediately. Sure, there are emergencies or in cases like these, you could pull over to the side of the road and use your cell phone in a safe manner. In addition, there are hands-free kits, and many cars even have talk to text or other calling features. These features allow you to talk while driving, but the driver continues to keep their eyes on the road and hands on the wheel. Finally, people should not text and drive because in most states it is now illegal. Meaning, if people are texting and driving, they are breaking the law. These cell phone laws are different in each state. However, it is illegal in 48 states to text and drive. Some states allow drivers to talk on their cell phones while driving, but do not allow them to text. While some states ban both talking on a cell phone and texting when driving. No matter what state you live in, it is clear that texting and driving is a bad mix and can be a devastating choice as well. Have a conversation with your friends and family about the dangers of texting while driving. It could save someone's life. On this page in your packet, you do not need to write anything down. You just need to look at some examples of supporting your opinion with reasons and examples. So if your opinion is the school cafeteria needs to serve Chipotle for lunch, your first reason might be Chipotle has healthy options that will give teachers and students energy. Examples of that could be you can get grilled chicken, fresh vegetables, and brown rice. Another reason to support this opinion could be our cafeteria needs more variety. Examples of that would be the cafeteria currently serves pizza, grilled cheese, and spaghetti every single week. Chipotle has lots of options. They have chicken and beef. They have tacos, quesadillas, burritos, and bowls. A third reason you might give to support the same opinion is that having Chipotle as an option will make lunches easier for parents. Examples of that would be more students will choose to eat school lunch. Parents will not have to worry about buying lunch items at the grocery store, packing lunches, or delivering forgotten lunch. This page in your packet is your assignment for today. You are going to think of some reasons and examples for your opinion. This is the one that you have chosen to write your opinion paper about. This is the opinion that you will write about later when we do our rough draft and later when we do our final copy. So you need to write your opinion right here. Then you must give 3 reasons to support that opinion and then examples for those reasons. You only need to give 3 reasons and some examples for each. When you are finished with that, go ahead and save your packet in your writing folder.